Cooking doesn't have to be a hassle. Get ready to transform your kitchen with these 30 must-have affordable gadgets that will save you time, money, and effort. From smart tools to space-saving wonders, these picks will make meal prep easier than ever. Stay tuned, you won't want to miss these. Tired of peeling apples the old-fashioned way? Say hello to the apple peeler and core, your new kitchen time saver. With just a few turns of the handle, this gadget effortlessly peels, cores, and slices apples in seconds. Whether you're making pies, snacks, or cider, this tool ensures perfect results with zero mess. Plus, its sturdy design and strong suction base keep it steady while you work. Why struggle when you can make life easier? Maximize your kitchen space with the over-the-sink dish drying rack. This genius gadget lets you air dry plates, cups, and utensils right over your sink. No more messy countertops. Made from durable stainless steel, it's sturdy, rust-resistant, and perfect for small kitchens. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to effortless organization. Cracking eggs has never been this easy and mess-free. The egg cracker tool lets you break eggs perfectly in seconds. No more shell pieces in your food. Simply squeeze, and it effortlessly cracks the shell, making baking and cooking quicker and cleaner. Whether you're making omelets, cakes, or scrambled eggs, this handy gadget saves you time and frustration. Say goodbye to messy countertops with the wall-mounted spice rack holder. This sleek and space-saving organizer keeps your favorite spices within reach, making cooking faster and more efficient. Easy to install and sturdy, it adds a modern touch to any kitchen while keeping everything neat and accessible. Keep your kitchen tidy and organized with the wall-mounted utensils rack. This sleek and sturdy rack lets you hang spoons, spatulas, tongs, and more, keeping them within easy reach while freeing up drawer space. Easy to install and durable, it's the perfect solution for a clutter-free, efficient kitchen. Upgrade your kitchen with the 𝐁𝐮𝐬𝐢𝐧𝐞 water filter faucet extender. This handy gadget filters impurities while extending the faucet for better reach and flexibility. Perfect for washing dishes, rinsing veggies, or filling pots. It ensures a clean, splash-free experience. Easy to install and durable, a must-have for every kitchen. Make perfect dumplings in seconds with the handheld dumpling maker. This easy-to-use tool seals and shapes dumplings effortlessly, saving you time and effort. Just fill, press, and enjoy perfectly formed dumplings, empanadas, or ravioli. Lightweight, durable, and mess-free, it's a must-have for home cooks and food lovers. Enjoy your corn mess-free with the corn cob holder. These handy tools provide a secure grip, keeping your hands clean and burn-free while you enjoy buttery, hot corn on the cob. Durable, rust-resistant, and easy to use, they make eating corn more fun and convenient for both kids and adults. Add some fun and functionality to your kitchen with the silicone crab-shaped spoon rest, designed to hold spoons, ladles, and spatulas. This heat-resistant and non-slip rest keeps your counters clean while cooking. Its cute crab design adds a playful touch, making it both practical and stylish for any kitchen. Make shrimp prep quick and effortless with the shrimp Deveiner. This handy tool removes shells and veins in one smooth motion, saving you time and hassle in the kitchen. Durable, easy to use, and mess-free, it's perfect for seafood lovers who want clean, restaurant-quality shrimp at home, without the struggle. Keep your drain clog free with the kitchen sink strainer, designed to catch food scraps, hair, and debris. This durable strainer prevents blockages while allowing water to flow smoothly. Rust-resistant and easy to clean, it's a must-have for every kitchen, ensuring a hygienic and hassle-free sink experience every day. Make peeling fast and effortless with the vegetable peeler. Designed with sharp stainless steel blades, it glides smoothly to remove thin, even layers from fruits and vegetables. Its ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, reducing hand strain. Easy to use, rust-resistant, and dishwasher safe, this peeler is a must-have for every kitchen. Maximize your kitchen space with the under-cabinet utensils holder. This space-saving organizer keeps your spoons, spatulas, and ladles neatly tucked away, freeing up counter space while keeping essentials within reach. Easy to install and sturdy, it's perfect for maintaining a clutter-free, organized kitchen while adding a modern touch to your cooking space. Upgrade your kitchen game with the electric food processor. This powerful gadget makes chopping, slicing, dicing, and pureeing effortless, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Whether you're prepping veggies, making dips, or blending sauces, its sharp stainless steel blades and high-speed motor ensure quick and precise results every time. With multiple attachments and an easy-to-clean design, it's a must-have for home cooks who love efficiency and convenience. Say goodbye to manual chopping and hello to faster, easier meal prep, because cooking should be fun, not frustrating. Make seasoning mess-free and precise with the salt dispenser with pour spout, designed for easy pouring and controlled dispensing. This handy kitchen tool prevents spills while keeping salt fresh and moisture-free. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, making cooking more convenient. Perfect for home chefs who love efficiency and clean countertops. Slice and strain with ease using the Mandoline slicer with strainer. This multifunctional tool lets you slice veggies quickly and evenly while the built-in strainer makes washing and draining effortless. With adjustable blades for different cuts and a sturdy, non-slip design, it's perfect for efficient meal prep without the mess. Keep your breakfast fresh and organized with the rotating cereal dispenser, designed for easy access and portion control. This dispenser prevents spills and keeps cereals, grains, and snacks crisp. Its 360-degree rotating base allows you to grab what you need effortlessly, perfect for a clutter-free kitchen and a quick, mess-free breakfast. Keep your food fresh and protected with the food cover tent, designed to shield your meals from dust, insects, and debris. This breathable mesh cover is perfect for indoor and outdoor dining. Lightweight, foldable, and easy to use, it's a must-have for picnics, barbecues, and everyday kitchen use. Make cleaning effortless and scratch-free with non-scratch microfiber sponges. These ultra-soft yet durable sponges gently remove dirt, grease, and stains without damaging delicate surfaces. Perfect for dishes, countertops, and appliances, they provide superior absorbency and long-lasting use. Say goodbye to tough scrubbing and hello to a sparkling clean home. Easily crack open chestnuts with the Chestnut fetter tool. Designed for precision and safety, this tool effortlessly scores chestnut shells, making peeling a breeze. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, while the sharp stainless steel blade ensures clean and efficient cuts. A must-have for chestnut lovers who enjoy hassle-free prep. Upgrade your meal prep with the cutting board with sliding tray. This innovative design lets you chop and slide ingredients straight into the tray, keeping your kitchen clean and organized. Perfect for separating waste from fresh cuts. It's durable, easy to clean, and space-saving. A must-have for effortless cooking. Steam your favorite foods effortlessly with the stainless steel steamer basket. Designed to fit various pot sizes, this expandable basket preserves nutrients and flavors while cooking. Its sturdy, rust-resistant material ensures durability, and the collapsible design makes storage a breeze. Perfect for healthy, oil-free cooking. Say goodbye to stubborn lids with the electric jar opener. With just the push of a button, this powerful gadget effortlessly opens jars of all sizes, making it perfect for seniors, arthritis sufferers, or anyone needing extra grip. Its compact, hands-free design ensures easy storage and convenience in any kitchen. Make the switch to reusable paper towels and say goodbye to waste. These super absorbent, washable, and durable towels are perfect for cleaning spills, wiping surfaces, and drying hands, all while being eco-friendly. Made to last, they help you save money and reduce waste without compromising on convenience. Keep your bottles spotless with the bottle cleaning brush kit. Designed with long, flexible handles and durable bristles, this kit makes it easy to clean narrow bottles, baby bottles, tumblers, and more. It reaches every corner, removing residue and stains effortlessly. A must-have for a hygienic and sparkling clean kitchen. Protect your hands in style with silicone oven mitts. Designed for high heat resistance, these mitts provide a secure, non-slip grip while handling hot pans, trays, and grills. Their waterproof, flexible, and easy-to-clean design makes them far superior to fabric mitts. Say goodbye to burns and hello to safe, hassle-free cooking and baking. Keep your countertops dry with the silicone sink splash guard. This flexible, waterproof barrier prevents water from splashing while washing dishes, keeping your kitchen clean and mess-free. Its durable, easy-to-clean design fits most sinks and stays in place without slipping. Say goodbye to soggy counters and hello to a tidier kitchen. Enjoy hassle-free pomegranate prep with the Pomegranate Deseeder tool. This simple yet effective gadget quickly removes seeds without the mess, saving you time and effort. Just place the fruit, tap, and watch the seeds fall out effortlessly. No more stained hands, just fresh, ready-to-eat pomegranate seeds in seconds. Protect your countertops with the foldable silicone trivet. Designed to withstand high temperatures, this heat-resistant, non-slip mat keeps hot pots, pans, and dishes from damaging your surfaces. Its foldable and space-saving design makes storage a breeze, while the durable silicone material ensures long-lasting use. A must-have for every kitchen. Upgrade your kitchen with the smart kitchen sink. Designed for modern convenience, this sink features built-in drainage, adjustable compartments, and high-tech touch controls for water flow and temperature. Its space-saving design and durable stainless steel make cleaning and prepping effortless. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to a sleek, efficient kitchen experience. Keep your counters dry with the Microfiber water-absorbent dish drying mat. Designed to quickly absorb excess water, this soft, cushioned mat protects delicate dishes while speeding up drying time. Its non-slip, easy-to-clean design ensures a mess-free kitchen. Simply lay your washed dishes on it and let it do the work. Enjoy fresh, nutrient-packed juice with the Masticating juicer. This slow cold press juicer extracts maximum vitamins and minerals while minimizing oxidation, giving you healthier, longer-lasting juice. Its powerful yet quiet motor efficiently squeezes fruits and veggies, reducing waste. Perfect for anyone who loves pure, fresh juice without additives. Make perfect dumplings effortlessly with the 2-in-1 dumpling maker press. This handy tool lets you fill, fold, and seal dumplings in seconds, ensuring uniform shape and perfect edges every time. Its dual-function design works for both small and large dumplings, making meal prep easier than ever. A must-have for dumpling lovers. Stay organized with the rolling utility cart. This multi-tier storage cart glides smoothly on wheels, making it easy to move from room to room. Whether for kitchen essentials, bathroom supplies, or office needs, its sturdy design and spacious shelves keep everything neatly arranged. A perfect space saver for any home. Make dishwashing effortless with the soap dispensing dish brush. This all-in-one cleaning tool features a built-in soap reservoir, allowing you to dispense soap with a simple press while scrubbing. Its durable bristles tackle tough grease and grime, making kitchen cleanup quick and easy. Say goodbye to messy sponges and hello to sparkling dishes. And that's a wrap on these must-have kitchen gadgets. From time-saving tools to space-saving wonders, these clever innovations make daily tasks easier and more efficient. Which gadget was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing finds. See you in the next one.